Welcome to this rare gem in the heart of Kembangan, a serene freehold apartment nestled in the quiet, leafy enclave. A perfect retreat from the city hustle, yet just minutes away from the MRT and the essential amenities. Hello everyone, my name is Irene Tan from OrangeTee AAG. This freehold apartment called The Heritage consists of 19 exclusive units within the development. Let's take a closer look at what this exquisite unit has to offer. Step inside this luxurious 904 square feet unit, masterfully transformed by its architect owner. Originally a two-bedroom apartment, it's been reimagined into a spacious, functional, and aesthetically pleasing one-bedroom home. This home offers an inviting atmosphere, ideal for entertaining or simply relaxing in peace. You are immediately greeted by a spacious living and dining area with a 20 mm solid oak flooring throughout and extending into the bedroom. A very well-lit home, this house offers a lot of storage space. Tucked at the other wing, you'll see a stunning large master bedroom with an elegant walk-in wardrobe corner. Every inch of space has been thoughtfully designed, offering both comfort and practicality. Natural lighting from both window panels warms up the huge bedroom. Citing a full-glass fish tank concept, the master bathroom is equally impressive, boasting premium materials and a modern luxurious feel. The glass sliding doors are all top tracks, ensuring dirt won't be trapped at the bottom of the bathroom. The master bathroom is non-typical tiled flooring because the owner uses marble and granite epoxy to avoid ugly grout stains. The same concept is also used in the yard. For your visitors, a separate guest bathroom ensures privacy and convenience. My favorite part is the sunken bath feature hugged by the glass mosaic tiles. Isn't it mesmerizing? The reconfigured kitchen is a chef's dream, blending functionality with style. Ergonomically designed to meet the architect owner's favorite hobby of baking sourdough bread and scones. There's even an additional storeroom and a dedicated yard space for laundry, perfect for the modern living. If you are looking for a blend of luxury, functionality, and tranquility in the highly sought-after Kembangan estate, this freehold apartment could be your perfect home. Once again, my name is Irene Tan from Johnny Ng Branch, AAG, OrangeTee. Happy to schedule a private viewing with you.